Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. This is just a very simple tutorial. So first is we need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So you have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click at the very bottom option, which is Windows Update, and click this button right here. So there is only one button right here in the right pane. You just have to simply click on that and update your Windows. Now once your Windows is updated, close out of here and then try to install the Visual Studio again, because updating your Windows, that could be a very simple fix, but most of the time that is a very helpful fix. So try to update your Windows first. Then for the second method is if you have installed and using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, or any known third-party antivirus softwares that you are using on your Windows, then we can temporarily disable that because that might block or interrupt the installation process. So what we can do is you just have to simply click on the Show Hidden Icons on the taskbar, and here you can find Malwarebytes. So once you find that third-party antivirus software, simply make a right-click, then you have to select Quit Malwarebytes or Quick Avast or Quick any third-party antivirus software. Now after you have temporarily disabled the antivirus, then you just need to try installing the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can run the System File Checker Scan, or known as the SFC Scan. So what we can do is in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator, which is a very important thing. Type here SFC // scan now. It's SFC / scan now, hit enter. So what this process will do is that this will fix or repair all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. Now while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it and then do your other task on your Windows and then go back to it. And once this is 100% completed, close out of here, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart the Windows. And after restarting the Windows, then you need to try installing the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.